Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Redmi A5. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. If you open here the box, you will find here another little white box in it. Just remove it like that. And there are two versions out there. I'm having here the European version. If you're having the European version, you just flap out this part here and then you will have here the SIM ejection tool. If you're having the international version, especially for Asia, then you will find it here at the side. So then just release it like that. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can always use, of course, also the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray, you will find a little hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At the SIM tray, you're able to insert next to the main SIM card as well as second SIM card if you want. And you can also extend the internal storage here with a microSD card. Let's start now with the first SIM card. It belongs here to the middle of the SIM tray. And this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And the contacts, they are below. Okay, and if you want, you can add also a second SIM card. This is optional. It belongs here to the first position. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So there's also a missing corner at the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And as you can imagine, the contacts are here below as well. If you want, you can extend also the internal storage with a microSD card. So the microSD card belongs here to the last position. So place it well. And this is how it should look like then. It only fits like that. And you can use it also, of course, with just one SIM card as you want. And the contacts are here, of course, below as well. Yeah, and if you're ready with it, just put back the SIM tray into the SIM slot again, anyhow with one or two SIM cards. And yeah, the written words are always on top, so to the display side. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.